Hey guys, I'm just gonna do some Assassin's Creed. Just gonna, just do some collectibles. Just waiting to spawn in here. Brilliant. I think we're gonna go. Let's go to Cat Island. Currently I'm wearing the feline coat outfit, crafted by 2 ocelots and 2 jaguars. So, yeah. Should load them in a minute. Should be, no. There we are. Right. Oh, I recognise that. Wait. Oh, no. This is just some collectibles. Try to complete the island. Fail. Oh my god, these guys are so annoying. There we go. Oh my god, these guys are so annoying just trying to get this. Alright, that was easy. Oh, that was amazing kill for Trini. Did you see that, mate? That was sick, man. Oh, I've already done it. That was easy. Okay. Alright guys, that was just like a quick little short video there. So, first game video of Assassin's Creed Black Flag. And, see ya. Bye.